Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Hope everyone is doing wonderful. So today I have an appointment with my optician at 10:30 a.m. It's now 10 o'clock, but I'm still going to do my Vlogmas. I challenge myself to do vlogs every day until December 25th. So I'm going to get my eyes checked out and then I'm going to continue with my vlog. So let's go. Alright guys, so at the optician now. My appointment is at 10:30 and it's 10:30 now. I'm already registered, but I'm just waiting on them to call me in.
Janice? Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Awesome. I'm Venus. Nice to meet you.
So guys, I've been searching for frame, but I cannot seem to find a nice frame. So I'm gonna go somewhere else, try get a frame and bring it back here. So I made a quick stop at Chick-fil-A and got some breakfast. Whew. So I'm back home. It was a productive morning. My lens will be ready in 2 weeks time for pickup. I might change the frame, I might not, but let's see how that go. Anyway, I pick up a Fashion-Ova packet this morning, so I'm gonna do a mini haul. So let's try these clothes on. Alright guys, so let's get to the fun part. I'm gonna try these on and I'm gonna show you how I'm looking in them, and then I want you to rate all the outfits. So I ordered this little festive shorts. I think it's gonna fit. So Fashion-Ova had sale. It was Black Friday sale, Black Friday deal, and I bought this little blue dress. The material is really nice. It is thick, really thick. Hope it can fit. I don't think it's gonna fit. It looks small, but the material is very good. I will try them on. Alright, so this one is so snug. It holds my body real good, and as you can see, I'm not wearing any bra and it holds my boobs together. So it's not that tight, but I think a large. What do you think? So what do you rate this one from, on a scale from 1 to 10? Rate this guy and comment in the comment section and tell me how you rate this dress. The material is really good. It's firm and it's on the thicker side, so I love that about this dress. This is my Christmas PJs. Material is very soft. How does it look? Alright, so this is it in real life. Okay, so this is a one strap blouse. I think I got this for $2. The material is really thin, but I guess it's worth the price because it's only for $2. Very thin. Okay, so this is another cute little one strap blouse that I bought. It's cute. The skirt is not from Fashion-Ova, but I just fit it with it. So that is it from the back. And it is size medium. The material is thin, but it's sexy. Wow, I'm in love with this blouse. It's a bodysuit. It is stretchy and the material is not too thick, not too thin, but it's nice. So this is the white and it's enlarged. These blouses are really comfortable, soft, smooth, nice to the skin. They are really cute. So this is another bodysuit. The material is nice as well. I'm not wearing any bra with it, and this is how it looks. So it's okay. It's not bad. Hey. Alright, so this is my 3-piece lingerie. I bought it for a date night special occasion. However, I didn't get it in time, so I had to wear something else that night. But I'm loving it. And then this is a top. I might try it on for you guys, I might not. Okay guys, so this is just a sneak peek of the 3-piece lingerie, just giving you an idea how it's looking. So this is it. Ooh. And this is another body blouse, so I bought 2 of them. I think I got them for $4. Nice stretch, good quality material, and I like this little cute zip in the middle. Nice. So this is another suit. The shorts is size 9 and the top is large. It has a cute little zip in the middle, so you can wear it up like so, or you can wear it down, whatever you choose. What is this? What is this? What is this? Celebrate what makes you strong. What is this? It's an underwear. Oh, I don't remember buying this underwear, but I might. Okay, so this is another house dress. I think this one will fit. It's like velvet. Material is really nice. And it has stretch. So this cute little dress, it's like velvet. I think I got it for $8. It's like one of these house dress, like, you know, on a Sunday evening when you're done cooking and you're just chilling, you can put on this little sexy dress in your house. Okay guys, so that is it for Vlogmas Day 7. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 8. Peace out.